Striped bass fishing is in full force here in the Bay Area, and if you want to get your hands on a fish or two, watch this video. A huge mistake people make is going fishing on a bad tide. We have found that the best fishing comes at sunrise or sunset on a tide that's moving and not stagnant. We've been catching most of our fish this year on swim baits that imitate anchovies, smelt, and herring because that's the bait these fish are eating naturally. If you want to use the same exact swim baits we have been using this year, check out the link on my bio and let us know in the comments what kind of video you want to see from us again tomorrow.